Hello, my name's Emily and I am your business travel consultant. Today, we are going to guide you through the Conferma Pay app, specifically how to register and use the app. The Conferma Pay app allows travellers to access all information related to their hotel reservation at a glance. In our instance, this is used to book and confirm hotel rooms. If your hotel is booked through one of the integrated hotel partners using our virtual card, your hotel bookings will show up in the app. The booking details, along with the full virtual card number, CVV and expiry date, can be seen from the day prior to arrival until the day of departure, and can be shown to your hotel's front desk staff if required. You can even resend a copy of your booking payment details to the hotel if needed. To register, visit app.confermapay.com and fill in the account registration form. It is recommended to use the same company email address that is in your traveller profile with Me on Valley Travel to ensure that hotel bookings are automatically linked to your Conferma Pay mobile account. Check your email inbox and click the verification link that's sent to you. Once the link has loaded, enter your password created earlier, choose a security question, and then click complete registration. Now that you've registered, you can download the Conferma Pay app in the Google Play or the Apple App Store. Enter your username and password that you set up in the website in the mobile app. Then select a 5-digit PIN code. This will be required for all future logins. Congratulations, you have now registered for the Conferma Pay app. If you have any problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at 0116 264 5270, or you can email in at theteam@meonvalleytravel.co.uk.